angithi kuthiwa nangu Maria yasifunda khona kuthiwa ingelosi uGabriel ayithunywanga kuma virgins onke akwaIsrael. uMaria was not special because she was a virgin. Wonke amantombazana kaIsrael ngaleso sikhathi ayama a virgin. Ungaboni ngesikhathi nje sekungekho estyleni kuba i virgin. Umuntu nje mesethanda nje sathi I want to lose my virginity. I think it's time. How all my friends have lost their virginity. I think it's time I've lost mine too. Yayingaziwe into njalo kwaIsrael. Intombi mayinganayo iring emnweni ingashadanga, she was expected to be a virgin. So wonke amantombazana kaIsrael ayengama virgins. Ubu-virginity buka Maria did not make her special enough to receive the favor of God. But le favor yeza kuye specially kwathiwa maningi ama-virgin kaIsrael. Kodwa le favor ayiyi kuma-virgin kaIsrael, iya kuMaria.